Are you concerned about ensuring fair pay within your organization? Want to take a concrete step towards equality and transparency? In this guide, I'll walk you through how to run a pay equity audit, offering you a roadmap to identify and address any disparities in your workplace's compensation practices. Step 1. Understand the importance of a pay equity audit. Before diving into the process, it's crucial to grasp why a pay equity audit is essential. Conducting a pay equity audit helps organizations identify and rectify gender or race-based pay disparities, leading to a fairer work environment. It enhances company reputation, mitigates legal risks, and boosts employee morale by fostering trust and transparency. Recognizing these benefits sets a strong foundation for your audit. Step 2. Gather relevant data. The first actionable step in running a pay equity audit is to gather all relevant data. Collect detailed information on employee roles, pay grades, hourly rates or salaries, bonuses, benefits, and variables like tenure, education, and experience. By organizing this data comprehensively, you create a clear picture of your organization's current compensation structure. Ensure data privacy and compliance by anonymizing sensitive information. Step 3. Conduct statistical analysis. Once you have your data, conduct a thorough statistical analysis to identify pay disparities. Use software tools like Excel or specialized HR analytics programs to assess compensation across different groups, controlling for job roles, experience, and performance metrics. By comparing these variables, you can pinpoint any unjustified pay gaps. Consider consulting with a statistician or HR consultant if necessary to ensure accuracy and reliability. Step 4. Identify and address discrepancies. With the analysis in hand, focus on identifying any discrepancies. If the data reveals pay gaps that cannot be justified by legitimate factors such as experience or education, it's critical to address these immediately. Develop a plan that outlines how your organization will adjust employee pay to achieve equity. This might include raising salaries for undervalued employees or revisiting salary structures altogether. Step 5. Review and revise pay policy. Addressing pay discrepancies is just one part of the solution. You also need to review and revise your company's pay policies to prevent future inequity. Implement transparent salary bands, standardized pay reviews, and regular audits to ensure sustained progress. Encourage open conversations about compensation and regularly train managers on unbiased, equitable pay-setting practices. Step 6. Communicate results and next steps. Finally, transparency with your workforce is key. Communicate the findings of your pay equity audit and the steps your organization is taking to ensure fair pay. This communication should be clear, honest, and focused on building trust. Highlight the benefits that employees will experience as a result of these changes and invite feedback to continue improving your company's compensation system. Conducting a pay equity audit is a powerful step towards promoting fairness and equity in the workplace. By understanding the process, gathering the right data, conducting thorough analysis, addressing discrepancies, and maintaining transparency, you can foster a culture of trust and equality in your organization. Remember, running a pay equity audit is not just about meeting legal requirements. It's about committing to a fair, ethical, and inclusive work environment. Use this guide to take actionable steps towards a more equitable future in your organization.